What's up YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this juicy delicious curry turkey neck recipe for you guys, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so to cook turkey neck is kind of simple to do. First you're going to ensure that you clean up your meat, you take off the white strips, if not all but most of the white strip from around the turkey neck. Then you're going to wash it with your vinegar and if you have your lime, you're going to use a lime. You're going to wash your turkey neck. After you do all of that, you're going to go ahead and season it. You can use any seasoning of your preference. For me, I usually use some salt, some all-purpose seasoning, any extra seasoning that I have, garlic powder, onion powder, any extra seasoning that you have and you like to use, you can put that on your turkey neck. Then you're going to go in with your natural seasoning. So you're going to add your onion, your tomato, your garlic, your scallion and thyme. If you have your sweet peppers, you add your sweet peppers, little pimento seeds, and that will help to flavor the turkey neck, right? Then you're going to allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes at least to 1 hour. Okay, so usually when I'm cooking any meat, I always burn a garlic into the oil. When I'm cooking curry, I also burn the curry. So here I am burning the garlic and burning the curry as well. Then when it's burned to how I like it, I went in with each pieces of the turkey neck. So just to ensure that everything is nicely fried, I put them in one by one and ensure that there's enough space between each of them so that they can get enough oil and enough of the curry to fry in. So I gave them some time to fry and I ensured that they're a little bit golden on each side before I turn them over. So just to ensure that they get a good amount of frying. So as you can see, they have this nice golden color on each of them, and I'm just gonna allow the other side to fry as well and then continue with the cooking. Now you can see me adding in the seasoning, and this is just to ensure that most of the turkey neck are getting the flavor that they need. So I'm just going to mix it up for a bit, and then I'm going to add some water into it and allow it to cook. I'm going to put it on low heat and I'm just going to allow it to take its time and cook for about 30 minutes. This is how it looked while it was cooking. I ended up adding some more carrot and Irish to it, and this is how it looks when it was finished. Some juicy succulent curry turkey neck. So thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.